So, ang blind man, ang buta, dili na kaya ayuhon ng iyang kagulingong paggabuta. Because he cannot, he needs help from somebody who can. Eventually, Jesus himself called for the blind man and healed him. But there's also a prevalent nga klase nga pagkabuta sa kalibutan nga gi-mention sa 2 Corinthians 4:4. Ano yun? Spiritual blindness, yes. This is the kind of blindness that makes them unable to see God. They don't perceive Him anywhere sa ilahang life, sa iyahang love. As the blind man cannot make himself see, a spiritually blind person cannot make himself spiritually see. If we have some friends or family nga dili mutuo kang Jesus, ano pwede natin gawin para sa kanila? Okay, first is to pray. We can call in behalf sa atong loved ones nga wala pa kaila. Lord Jesus, please help my family see who you are. Share the gospel, of course. Share about Jesus. Sino siya? Anong ginawa niya para sa'yo? And how you can also experience this thing. Kung feeling ni mo, dili ka takos mo doon sa Ginoo, feeling po na ako na sa una. And now, it's available para bisag kinsang mutuo. Would you like to have this?